guys, welcome to this YouTube channel Easy Engineering. How are you? Hope you all are doing good. And see, in the yesterday's class we have discussed about the two methods to pass the data into the function. The two methods are call by value and another is a call by reference. So we have discussed both the topics yesterday, and in today's class we are going to discuss about string manipulation functions. At the time of strings, I have said that we will be having some manipulation functions, right? So in today's class we are going to discuss those manipulation functions. So let's see what is present in the manipulation functions and what is the meaning of it and how can we do the manipulations also. Okay, let's get going. So now let's start with the definition of string manipulation functions. See, there is no particular definition, but see here we are having, there are various string functions in C which are used to manipulate the strings. See, there are many functions present in C language which are inbuilt. See, those functions, those string functions are inbuilt in C language, so which are used to manipulate the functions. Okay, manipulate means changing the functions. So okay, while going on you will be getting the clarity. So let's see what are they. They are strlen. Okay, you have to pronounce it with letters only because see, you can't pronounce this word, right? Okay, then strlen is the first string manipulation function. Okay, now let's define it. This function returns the length of a string. Okay, this is 1, means see, up to this string is one definition. Okay, simply this function returns the length of a string. Okay, you can say it simply, or in other words, the number of characters present in a string excluding the null character. Means, see, while discussing about strings I have discussed about that, right? We are having, let me see, yeah, here, yes, here I have strings. See, we are having null character, right? Without this null character, the remaining letters, the count of letters is called as what? It is called as the length. Okay, see, the number of characters present in a string excluding the null character is called strlen. See, here I am providing two definitions for this, so you can write any of them. Okay, this is for only for your understanding, right? So I have written both the definitions. Then after this we are having syntax. See, we are having syntax. Okay, the syntax is strlen, all in small letters, right, lowercase, and in the braces, see, we are having the name of string, right, and at last semicolon is mandatory for every line of code, right? Then this is the syntax. And now let's see an example. Okay, you will be getting an idea through this example. It is right. See, we are not having void main, right? Okay, but we have to edit it. Okay, then okay, now let me go to online C compiler and remove all these, and let me zoom a bit and paste this. Okay, we are having this, right? See, we have to add this hash include string.h because in this library we are having these functions inbuilt. Okay, so that should be confirmed, and as usual our void main should also be there. Okay, then let me, okay, and let me, and we have to, yes, we have to close the braces, right? And I have to change these also. Then okay, see, now let me explain it. See, we are just okay. Yes, we have to create a string of name, right? Let me take the input from user. Okay, char name. Okay, then printf enter a string. Yes, then after entering a string, it should be taken into the compiler, right? So for strings we are using %s comma name, right? Yes. Now let me run this. See, here we are taking input of name, and here we are giving a len as a variable, and we are taking means we are assigning it to the length of name. Okay, let me see what will be happening if we run it. Okay, yes, array size missing, right? So now we have to print some array size, means we have to give some array size, right? So the compiler will be taking that. See, more than 50, we won't give more than 50, right? 50 is better. So see, now we are getting the output as enter a string. Now we have to enter a string, which is easy engineering. Now after enter, okay, because see, here we are having space, right? It is considering the space as, means if we give space, it is coming outside and it is giving only these 4 letters. Okay, let me run once more and see. Now easy engineering. Now let me see how many. Yeah, now it is 15. Okay, now it is calculating each and every letter. Okay, so there should not be any space in between the characters. Yes, that is the reason. Now okay, we have completed the strlen function, and next we are going to discuss about the strcpy. Okay, now let's define it. Let me zoom, because okay, you can see clearly. Yeah, strcpy, this function copies one string to the another string. See, one string will be having some value, right? That will be copied to another function, another string. See, we are having both the strings which named destination and source. So if the variable source is containing some value engineering and destination is empty, then if we want to add this engineering to this destination also, then we are using strcpy. Then the value which is present in source will be also copied to destination. It is copied, not cut and paste. Okay, copied means it will be present here as well as here. Okay, it will be presenting in both the variables. So see, here we are having syntax also. The syntax is strcpy in small letters, and in the braces we are having destination first, means to which variable we are going to copy. Okay, and comma, source will be next, from which variable we are copying. Okay, that will be next, and from to which variable we have to copy will be the first, and ending with semicolon as usual. Okay, I think you have understood this. And now we have to copy this, and we have to discuss the code, right? Okay, something is happening. Okay, no problem. Let me go to online compiler and paste it. Oh god, it is too much, right? Let me edit it. as soon as possible. Okay. Yes, now I should. Oh. Yes, now I have edited it, and see, I have to change these also. Forgetting to change this. Yeah. Now, see, we have to see, we have to give it. Okay. Yes. See, we are having the source which is having the value easy. Okay. And we are having destination with no value assigned to it, and we are having strcpy function in which dest and source are present. Now the value of source will be copied to the destination, and now we are printing dest, right? So let's see, will the output will be correct or not. Okay, after running, yes, see, we are printing dest, right? Initially the dest is called means dest is not at all assigned, it is empty. So but after the strcpy function, see, the dest, we are printing dest, and we are getting easy, means the easy which is present in the source is copied to dest. Okay. Yes, this is the output we are getting when running this program. Okay. After this, we are having another one which is strcat. Okay, which means string concatenation, means combining both the strings. Okay, see, this function concatenates two strings. Yes. Okay, this function concatenates both the strings. Okay, we are giving two strings in a program, and the both strings should be combined and give some output, which is called string concatenation. Okay, the syntax is strcat of dest comma source. Okay, it is same as strcpy, but only the cat will be correct, same. Okay, then after this, yeah, we are having the program. We have to discuss the program also. See, I am just copying it again and pasting it here. Okay, now I have to edit it. Yes, then yeah, not this. And I have to edit these also. Oh, yes. After this, yes, I have completed the editing, and see, now we are having strcat. It is same as the previous program, right? But here we are assigning both the values. Okay, for both the strings we are assigning values, and we are concatenating both. Okay, we are concatenating and storing them in string 1. And now let me run it and find the output what we are getting. See, we are getting easy engineering, right? See, in string 1 we are having easy, and in string 2 we are having engineering. So while see strcat and the source means, so not source, destination, the destination means for, see, for which string we have to store, means after concatenating, means after combining in which string we have to store, that is called destination. And source means, see, from which we have to take the take the string value and adding this will be the string 2. Okay, we are taking engineering and adding it to string 1, right? Okay, so after printing string 1 we are getting the value as easy engineering, where this engineering is copied to this, is combined to str1. Okay, now this is all about concatenation. And next we are having compare. And okay, that is the end of today's class. Yes, now the last function we are having is strcmp, which is string compare, means we are comparing both the strings. Okay, see, and this function compares two strings lexicographically. Okay, means lexicographically means, what is the meaning of lexicographically? Means see, like it is like ABCD. See, we are having ABCDs, right? So but capital ABCDs and small ABCDs will be having different ASCII values. Okay, that ASCII values will be I'm not sure, but in further classes I will be explaining you about the ASCII values also, and I will be giving you the chart also. I will give you the chart of ASCII values. Then see, small ABCD and capital ABCD means capital alphabet and small alphabet will be having different meaning in variables, right? You all know that because I have explained you that. So in this also, while comparing also, both will be having different. See, if capital A and small a, if capital A is present in one string and small a is present in another string, both of them are not equal, they are different to each other, right? So that is the matter in this programming languages. So see, means lexicographically means like with variables. See, if string 1 is ant and string 2 is R, A or E, okay, then see, it will be comparing first both the first values. Okay, when comparing both the first values, see, we will be getting A and A both are equal, right? So it will print as true. Okay, then next it will be comparing next N and R. See, these both are not equal, so it is false. Like this, in strcmp function we are having, see, every alphabet, every letter in English alphabet will be having ASCII value. ASCII value means, see, it will be having some numeric value. Okay, see, N will be having some numeric value and R will be having some numeric value. So if the numeric value means both are having some numeric value, and if N's numeric value is greater than R, then this will be greater than this. Okay, then if R value, see, commonly R's ASCII value will be greater than N's ASCII value, because see, R will be after N, right? So the value of ASCII value of R will be greater than N. So absolutely R is the greater function, greater string than ant. Okay, then see, this is a string 1 and this is string 2, right? See, absolutely string 2 is greater than 1. Okay, see, it is greater than, greater symbol. Okay, greater than 1. See, if 2 is greater than 1, here we are having, right? If 2 is greater than 1, it returns negative value. Okay, now let's understand it by some program. See, we are having the syntax also, but the syntax for everything is same, so I am not explaining it, but only this will be different. Okay, rather this will be same. Okay, so I am not discussing about that. So now I'll discuss about the example. Okay, now let me copy this example. Yes, now I have to paste it here. Oh, okay, I think it takes some time, so wait. Yes, I have edited, and see, here we are having string 1 and string 2, both we are having value as easy. Okay, we are having the same value, and now we are comparing and assigning that value to num, because here in the PDF we are getting to know that, see, it returns 0 if both the strings are equal, and it returns negative value if string 1 is less than string 2, and returns positive value when string 1 is greater than string 2, right? So for that reason we are assigning this function to a num value, and see, this num value will be some 0 or greater than 0 or less than 0, right? So to print our desired output like this, both are same, and this is higher than that and this is lower than that, so these are our desired outputs. So to get them, we are writing this, we are using if statement and writing if num is 0, then both are same. Else if num is greater than 0, string 1 is higher than string 2. Else means, see, rather than these two, the other will be this only, so string 1 is lower than string 2. So if we run, we have to get both the strings are same, right? Okay, but we are getting something, we are getting some warnings, right? But why? Okay, I haven't see, I haven't put this. Yes, now let me run it. Yes, both the strings are same, right? We are getting the value, and let me change this value of easy to year, and let me run. After running, see, str1 is higher than str2. str1 is higher because s is greater than r. Okay, then let me write dream, and let me change this to card. Okay, and let me run. Yes, string 1 is lower than string 2, because see, here C is lower than D, right? So string 1 is lower than string 2. So this is today's class, and we have discussed about all the string manipulation functions. Okay, so this is today's class, and if you have any doubts, you can comment me, and you can comment below the video, and I'll be replying to each and every comment. So, and if you learn from my video, then absolutely do subscribe to my channel, because this is a see, just now I am starting the channel, so I want all your encouragement. So if you subscribe to my channel, I'll be encouraged and doing more videos for you, in more, like, I'll be explaining more clearly. So please encourage me, and If you like the content of my channel, do subscribe, like and share it to your friends. If you have any doubts, you can comment me down, and if you have any queries regarding my channel or videos I am taking, you can email me. I am providing the email in the description box, so you can check it out. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you.